Here we have a 2017 BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills, and the black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel just here, once again unmarked. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Here is a close look now at the third alloy wheel. We also have the shark fin antennae up top and the rear spoiler as well just there. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the twin pipe exhaust and the rear diffuser. Taking a look at the boot, so if we come up here and just open just like so, you'll find that we have plenty of space inside of there. Closing that back up and going back around to the driver's side now, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the last alloy wheel just there, again excellent condition. Taking a look at the interior, you'll find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, the fixed ISO points. We also have the vents for the rear passengers in the centre, electric windows on the doors and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Taking a look at the front, again we have the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are heated and there is a look at them. Again on the doors, the premium Harman Kardon, electric windows, we'll try that for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We also have the auto lights just there and the auto wipers. If we take a seat inside, you'll find that we have the multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control and the speed limiter, paddle shifters either side. We also have the high beam assist as well on that stalk. As you can see, we have the dashboard with a little digital display in the centre. If we press the start button and put our foot on the brake, the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that it will be free from any warning lights, the only one being for fuel, so nothing to worry about there. We also have the heads-up display as well, just there, which you may be able to just about see. If that's flickering, that is just the camera, it's not like that in reality. We also have the main infotainment screen. On here you'll find the likes of the sat-nav. We also have a range of media such as the radio. We also have the FM DAB radio, music collection, the auxiliary, CD and DVD. We have the Bluetooth audio, the USB as well. We also have the phone connectivity just there. If we go to the main menu, you find these options to go through. So if we go to My Vehicle, this is where you find the settings. Go into the interior lighting, this is where you find the ambient lighting. You have a couple options to choose from. If we go back, if we go onto the technology in action, this is where you'll find the sport displays, which is a pretty nice feature to have. We also have the different drive modes, so we have the Eco Pro drive mode. We also have the Comfort drive mode, the Sport and Sport Plus. Putting the car into reverse, this is where you find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors. Put it back into park low, and further down you find that we have the climate control, ice cold air conditioning just there, heated seats on either side, all working just as it should do. We have a USB port just there, some storage space with two good sized cup holders hidden away inside of there, the gear stick, the drive mode buttons. We also have all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, nice leather armrest. Open that up for extra storage. Just inside of there you find the wireless phone charging, the USB port and also the auxiliary just there as well. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.